Oh, wow. Oh, it's this is the flowers of broccoli. Oh yeah, we got the property got lots of big rocks. So we just use that one. And plus of course Alaska. We're kind of rough here, so we like it. Boulders, they call it boulders. Mmm. Oh my goodness, the broccoli is so good. Mm-hmm. Tiny broccoli. Mm-hmm. I know it's so good. And this is the strawberry, wild strawberry. We pick it already. But the broccoli is so good. Just so tasteful. It's just different taste. Organic. Where's daddy? I thought they're coming. Yeah, we're away from Basing City. We like it here. No GMO, yeah. Got that right. It's so good. Oo, princess, pag masipag, maraming blessing. Kahit ano na dyan, wag lang mapili. Yung iba kasi mapili. Ako, hindi ako mapili kahit dati dyan sa Pilipinas. Basta may trabaho. Yeah, lalong lalapit ang blessing. Basta go, go. So we're waiting for my kids. They went upstairs. They went for four-wheeling. Tagal ni Jelana. Okay, thank you, Journey. You have a good night. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, good night, Journey. It's 8 here, Alaska time. So 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 p.m. there. Okay, good night. Where are they? You didn't see them? Ang tagal naman nila, boy. Kulit eh, no? Tagal ah.